Hi, today I will tell you regarding the system requirements required for Adobe Premiere Pro. For Windows, we do need Intel 6th generation or newer processor or AMD equivalent with SSE 4.1 support. Microsoft Windows 10 version 2004 or later. Below you can see the 6.7 GB of available hard disk space to install applications and additional 13 GB to download all optimal content. Microsoft DirectX 12 compatible sound and driver should be needed too. If we'll move towards the Mac OS, you can see the Intel 6th generation or newer processor as we have seen here in Windows. Mac OS 10.15 or 11 or Apple M1 processor using Rosetta 2. 8 GB of available hard disk space to install application and additional 11 GB to install all optimal content is needed here. If we'll go down and we can see that for both Windows and Mac OS, what we need is 8 GB of RAM, 1280 by 1800 display resolution at 100% scale factor, DVD-ROM drive for installation of DVD, internet connection required for the product activation and content download, but after that you can use it without internet. The recommended specifications for Adobe Premiere Pro is Intel 7th generation or newer processor or AMD equivalent with SSE 4.1 and AVX support, 16 GB of RAM for HD media, 32 GB or more RAM for 4K media, 4 GB of CPU VRAM, fast install SSD for app installation and cache. So how was our today video? If you want me to make another video on different topic, let me know in the comment section. Till then, goodbye.